We had a little Black Friday discount deal with these smart plugs from Amazon. Works with Alexa, of course. We're going to use this plug here as an example to turn off a fan. We turn a fan on to make sure that there's no moisture in the shower. Live here in the South, and it's kind of handy to keep your shower dry so that it doesn't get moldy at all. So what better thing to do than to have a plug that I can turn it off when I'm away, because sometimes I forget to turn it off. So that'll be super handy. And actually I could put this on a schedule if I want to. If I was that regimented and took showers at a certain time, it could go on and off, you know, etc., etc. But you can think of all the possibilities you could use this for lamps, fans, different types of equipment, you name it. So I'm going to try this out for you guys, show you what it looks like. There's the plug itself right there. Got a little LED indicator there. It's got a button on the side. Not much to it. And then inside the box, what do you got here? Just your instructions. Solid blue, the device is long. Blue blinking, it's ready for setup. Blue rapid, setup in progress. Red blinking, no network. If off, it's off. Plug in your device, download the software, open and tap more icon to add a device, and then you're ready to go. So we're going to try this out. It's got a QR code if you need it. And then this is just some safety precaution stuff. So that's pretty much it. That's all that's in the box. Let's try this out. Okay, it's ready. Blue flashing. It was slow blue for a second there. Now it's flashing blue. Okay, the switch is now set up. I just say, Alexa, turn on the fan. Then it shows the blue light is on. It's blue, you can't tell. Alexa, turn off fan. That's quite handy. And then of course I can go into the schedule. I'm sure I can set a schedule, but I can turn this off from remote if I forget to leave, turn it off. So pretty happy. That's gonna be a cool feature.